go, let me please go to a place that I don't know. Let me please go, let me please go to a place that I don't know.
Hola, I am Giant Cheerio. I've been on the road since 8 months. I traveled from Germany through France and Spain. Then I took the ferry to the Canary Islands. Today I will show you what's inside my bag. Just one thing, when I started my trip I had more things I minimized, so there's not that much of a chaos. Okay, let's just start with that one. First thing, here is my speaker. And I hate having my headphones inside my ears. So speaker, I don't open this bag during the day, and for me that's very important because I know I just have to open it at night when I set up my tent and my camp. So what's inside? Okay, right now I'm on the Canary Islands. Freaking hot, but still I have everything I need for like 5 degrees, 8 degrees. I mean, it's not fun 5 or 8 degrees with that stuff, but it's possible. Pants that I wear at night when it gets cold. I have my yellow socks. Thank you, Grandma. I love them. Something warm for the night. My tent here. Yes, one thing. Right now, I am not sponsored.
I'm not sponsored.
Everything I say is my honest opinion, just talking about my experiences. This is a tent from Naturehike. It's a one-person tent. Right now for me that's enough space, but sometimes, to be honest, I wish I had a bigger tent. When it starts raining it's kind of complicated because I can't take my bags inside because the tent is too small. I would recommend to get a 2-person tent. Yeah, this is my tent. Here is my air mattress and I'm very happy with that. I sleep like a princess. I take really good care of this air mattress. I tried another one, but I wasn't as happy with the other one as I'm with that one. I think that's one of my favorite things. Yeah, it's a very expensive air mattress, but it's worth the price. Okay, and then what do we have? This little thing, I put it underneath my tent to protect my tent and my air mattress. One more thing, here is my sleeping bag. I lost the bag of my sleeping bag. That's why it's in a Decathlon backpack. It's a big one, but to be honest, I don't want to freeze at night, and so I have that big sleeping bag. I can use it up to -10 degrees. It's a sleeping bag from Deuter, and it's the Deuter Exosphere sleeping bag. That's it. That's everything that's in my first bag. So this is really only the stuff I need during the night. Next one. Oh no. Not having a kickstand problem. Oh no. Not again. Holy that is freaking annoying. Actually, I don't know what I'm doing. Freaking heck, this is embarrassing. I don't get it. Why now? Can you hold my bag for a second? Okay, this is my second bag. Let's take a look inside. First thing, very important, is the solar panel. I use it every day, and yeah, it just gives me more freedom. It looks like that. The brand is Big Blue. Yeah, I use it every day. It has 2 USB ports, and I can charge my phone and my batteries. I can't charge my laptop with it, but yeah, I'm very happy with it, and I would definitely buy this thing again.
Not sponsored.
The next thing. Okay, here are my shoes, because I have these shoes and these, and for me that's totally fine. That's enough. That's all I need. And yep, a container. It's dirty, I didn't wash it. Yeah, I just put my leftovers in there, tomatoes or I don't freaking know, grapes or stuff, because otherwise it would just get damaged and squeezed in my bag. This is just a bag where I usually have all my food. Right now there's nothing inside, just garlic, just towel. My bath bag, how'd you call it? In German it's my Kulturbeutel, yeah, like stuff we all need when we go to the bathroom or to the toilet. And yep, that's it. Okay, here I carry a gas bottle, and usually I use smaller ones, but that was the only one I could get. And here I have my clothes. That's not everything, but I got everything in here that I need every day. My computer, the bag is empty. The next bag is my seat pack. It looks like that. Let's take another look inside. What does giant Cheerio have in her bags? Not that much. Okay, in this bag I have stuff that I usually don't use. Stuff I don't need during the day and I just need in special occasions. Some chargers, cables, my external storage thing. I'm very sorry, but sometimes I just don't know the English terms. Only need that when I'm in a cafe or when I'm in hostels. So to edit my videos, then I need this thing here. A safety vest, like when I go through tunnels or when the weather is shitty. But let's be honest, I look like an idiot in combination with this. But yeah, safety first. Here's another bag of clothes. So I have a dress here because sometimes I don't wanna look like a cyclist. Another shirt, another pair of socks. That's it. Last item. That's my raincoat. It's the regular Decathlon raincoat. I think that's the cheapest raincoat you can get from Decathlon. I didn't need it that much, just a couple of times, but just in case. Okay, what else do I have? These two bottles. Here is my lock. There is another little bag. What's inside? My knife, my wallet, 2 batteries, many stickers. I have one more bag here. Multi-tool, it's Crank Brothers. These are cable ties, very important. Some oil in case of a flat tire. This stuff, don't know how to call them. That's it, it's empty. I have one more thing to show, and that's my camping stuff. Cup, didn't clean it, pretty dirty. The pot, I have 2 of these because at the beginning I only had this little thing, but it's like this here. It has a screw. I had to find gas bottles for this screw thing here, and I couldn't find them. So luckily someone gave me this thing. Here you have to open that thing, put it on top of the gas bottle, and then close it and you can use it. I will keep both of them. Sometimes I only find the screw in gas bottles and sometimes I only find the other ones. And sometimes I find none. One thing I want to say regarding this stuff is it's useful and I use it every day, but I think there are better options. See to Summit X pot, and it's like a pot, but it's foldable, saves so much space. Well, okay, this is it. This is all my stuff. It's all I need right now. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, just ask. I try to answer all the questions. This is just how it works for me, and it works pretty well. There's some things that I might change soonish, and I think I have nothing to add. Yeah, one thing. I'm always happy to get some tips and tricks or cool special items that save space and time. Let me know. It's time to say cheerio, goodbye, salut, and adios.